You're welcome once again on CGM Agricultural Research Center. Your beloved one, Taiwo Mike. Today I will be teaching you on the pen management and maintenance. You know, as a poultry farmer, there are basic things you need to know. Basic knowledge, basic skill about the construction, minor construction of your pen and the repairing of your spoiled floor, wall, and so on and so forth, how to patch some holes. This is very, very important to you as a farmer, poultry farmer precisely. So come along with me. I want to show you how I'm patching the holes, how I'm repairing and maintaining the spoiled floor in my pen. So come along with me, please. So all these are very, very important. They are basic knowledge in poultry farming. So you don't need to be a bricklayer. It's something you should know. You need to be creative, and you need to be very task commitment. So all these things, because if you are calling bricklayer all the time to do this, to do that, or electrician, you are losing. You are losing a lot of money. So that's why you need this. You need to learn how to